problem, thank you.
Hey, that sure looks just like this airplane here, Carl.
Yeah.
Get them while they're hot. Where you gonna go? Great. Uh-oh, he's lost a wheel. Now he's gonna make up his mind what he's gonna do. It's gonna be interesting. Stay tuned. Look at that.
Very nice.
No trouble. How's that for a landing, sports fans? The beautiful bent bird.
That's Noel Johnston in there when he was younger.
Over D8. Guys, that was quick. Pretty nice.
Well, that wasn't a crash landing.
Dead stick for the D8, looks like.
That's good. Gonna quit.
Bruce Tharp holding for Claude McCullough.
Well, I guess it has. It's kind of
Walt Mocha. Claude's going to do a low flyby for us here with Rodden. Walt's going to do some aerobatics here for us. Oh, by Claude McCullough.
Nice one, Claude.
Wasn't content with that last one. He's going to do it again for us. Uh-oh, he changed his mind. Go around. Walt Mocha and his Charger. Dead stick on the Mustang. Midget. PT-22. Fleet biplane. Let you go for us here. Mr. Mulligan. Old Oregon boy, and he's brought his Westland Lysander, right?
Right.
We're getting ready to fly it, are we?
Yes, we are.
Okay, there it is
Ed
in all
Hess.
its glory. You got a what, a quadra in it now, Ed? Beautiful, beautiful. It's got a quadra 100 in here.
Okay, the gentleman that has the Fokker DR1 triplane.
Ed's son from San Diego will fly it for him.
Two people rolling.
Nice looking Fokker D8. Flies good too. We got Ed Hess Jr. here, who's going to be the pilot for Ed Hess's Lysander.
Denver Broncos, from Long Beach, California.
Okay, Ed Hess Jr. is about ready for takeoff here. There he goes. Ed Hess, all Oregon. It says it weighs 42 pounds, quad 100. What happened? Just kind of peeled off and went in. Lion contingent here. They brought a nice two-holer spacewalker belonging to Steve Bobko. It's a beauty. They're next up. We're going to get them. Ed Hess back with his Lysander. What a shame. Before it happened. Ed Hess, Malala, Oregon. Bobco taxiing out. He flew all the way from Hawaii in this thing.
How are we doing, Mike? One guy there.
There it goes.
JZ props out here, so stop by the JZ.
Two Musketeers.
Stephen Bobco.
Steve Bobco
Mike
on
Miranda.
flyby. Two-holer spacewalker from Kona, Hawaii. Here's landing. Look at that. Wow. He built this airplane in about 2 weeks.
2 months.
2 months, he says. The two-holer spacewalker.
Grab the glass out of the way.
Here we are from RIP Manufacturing. Just what you P-38 drivers need. And I think they go back up again too, but I'm not going to ask him because he's retired. Was that retired or retard on his hat?
Either or.
Look at that, guys. That's scale. RIP Manufacturing. Ignition. That's the way they start on ignition. Riverton, Wyoming.
And that's an
Pegasus
idol.
Demonstration. Look at that. I can't hear it. I can't hear it.
It isn't on an electric motor.
Is it running? I got it running. Idle or is that an idle? Okay, Walt Oak is going to try it again. Halftime show.
This Los Angeles.
Good boy. Good boy.
Scale Spacewalker. Bruce Tharp flying.
Okay, we have the spacewalker taking manufacturing, mainly the Blue Star.
Man from Montezuma, Bruce Tharp.
Okay, leveling the engine back, leveling the wings out, letting it glide, holding a little back pressure to stick. You see the tail drop a little, and it's a nice three-point landing here. Oh,
He's
man,
down.
That's what I call greasing it.
Half scale Spacewalker.
Bruce, what can we say?
Dornier.
Or is it Dornier?
Rick Maida flying the Dornier. Well, it's Saturday afternoon, just before 1 o'clock. Excellent weather. Excellent weather.
And we have a landing there. All right, here's the landing of the Dornier. Don't be afraid of that siren there. designed this plane for SIG manufacturing. It's a wonderful kit you can get at your local hobby shop.
There's Werner. Say hi, Werner.
Say hi, Werner.
Well, we'll take a walk down the line here. This is Noel Johnston's Corsair. Noel's from northern Utah.
He's using aileron, elevator, and rudder control.
Looks like an RV that just landed. And then we got a Thunderbolt, another
Inverted flight's
Corsair.
interesting too. You have to push the stick forward to keep the nose coming around for an inverted pass. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, smooth, low inverted pass.
More Cubs. PT-22. Another Cub. It's T6. Bud Elliott of Custom Classics, and I happen to see, Bud, you got a special t-shirt here that I'm really interested in. Not that one, Bud, not that one. Bud is selling. My goodness, what more could you ask for?
30 pictures.
In all sizes, huh, Bud?
Well, I'll tell you what, we had 100 of these when we started, and this is all we got left.
My goodness, I'll take a dozen myself. Sir, that's a bit of all right.
Even flies.
Yeah, it even flies. Well, we just dropped into the Proctor booth here at QSAA 1992, and guess who we bumped into? The famous Dick Heining, Chief Executive Officer of Proctor Enterprises
Hi, everyone.
and local Oregon boy.
Local